Hello, friends. Welcome back to our Russian language learning course. I'm Nick, and today we will continue our journey by learning the next 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Let's get started. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters. Last time, we learned the first 11. Today, we will focus on the next 11.
К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф.
Each letter has its own unique sound and writing. Let's begin. The first letter is
К,
repeat after me.
К,
Example word
кот,
means cat in English. Let's say it together.
кот,
The next letter is
Л,
repeat after me.
Л,
Example word
лампа,
means lamp. Repeat.
лампа,
The letter
М,
repeat after me.
М,
Example word
молоко,
means milk. Let's say it together.
молоко,
The letter
Н,
repeat.
Н,
Example
нос,
means nose. Let's say it together.
нос,
The letter
О,
repeat.
О,
Example
обезьяна,
means monkey. Repeat.
обезьяна,
The letter
П,
repeat.
П,
Example
подарок,
means gift. Repeat.
подарок,
The letter
Р,
Repeat.
Р,
example
рыба,
means fish. Repeat.
рыба,
The letter
С,
repeat.
С,
Example собака means dog. Repeat.
собака,
The letter
Т,
repeat.
Т,
Example
торт,
means cake. Repeat.
торт,
The letter
У,
repeat.
У,
Example
улица,
means street. Repeat.
улица,
And finally, the letter F. Repeat. F. Example flock means flag. Repeat. Flock. Great. Now let's practice pronouncing these letters and words together. Repeat after me.
К, кот, Л, лампа, М, молоко, Н, нос, О, обезьяна, П, подарок, Р, рыба, С, собака, Т, торт, У, улица, Ф, флаг.
Fantastic job. Today, we learned the next 11 letters of the Russian alphabet. Keep practicing and pronounce the letters and words out loud to remember them better. In the next video, we will learn the remaining letters of the Russian alphabet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And don't forget to watch our shorts. In them, you can review the letters and words we learned today and practice pronunciation. See you soon.